Ang stand po namin sa Committee on Justice as regards the allegations that Madriaga is of a questionable character, kaya nga po tayo naghi-hearing. Wala pa naman po kaming sinasabing may probable cause na. Hindi pa po naman namin sinabi na there is probable cause to forward the articles of impeachment to the Senate. In fact, wala pang articles of impeachment. Magkakaroon lang pong articles of impeachment kapag sabihin po ng House Committee on Justice may probable cause, gagawa po tayong resolution at kalaki po ng resolution na yan ang articles of impeachment. So ngayon, kaya po tayo nagpapatawag ng hearing aside from mandato po namin affidavits na ito kung to verify the veracity of the attachments to the complaint and to the attachments in the answer kung meron man. So, wala pa po kaming sinasabi na may probable cause na at may articles of impeachment na. Dito pa lang po namin titingnan yon sa hearing.